Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fill out a Form AP1. Form AP1 is used to change the land register, like updating an owner's name, adding or removing someone, removing a paid off mortgage, or registering a new owner after someone dies. You can apply yourself, but if the property is mortgaged, the lender may require a conveyancer. Download Form AP1 from welcome2.gov.uk by typing AP1 into your browser. So we have here the panels. So we have here panel 1. Enter the local authority for the property and full postcode. Panel 2 is enter the title number. You can find it on the title register or title plan. If you don't have it, use the search for land and property information service on welcome2.gov.uk to view or buy copies. And panel 3, tick whole property or part of the property. If it's part, describe the area clearly and refer to a plan if needed. And panel 4 lists each application on a separate line in priority order. If no money is changing hands, enter the full market value, not zero. Add the fee for each application and track fees using the HMLR fee calculator on welcome2gov.uk. And panel 5 lists all documents that you're sending, like TR1 or DS1. Send certified true copies only, not originals. And panel 6, name each applicant who will appear on the updated register. Panel 7, add the sender's contact details, including phone and email if possible, and leave panel 8 blank. Add the address for service for each owner, up to 3 addresses, and at least one must be a postal address. So skip panel 10 unless you're registering a new mortgage. Panel 11 is only for overriding interest, and if needed, include Form DI. If you're not a conveyancer, skip panel 13 and complete panel 14 with all parties involved. Anyone without a solicitor must complete the right ID form, ID1, ID2, or ID3. And panel 15, each applicant signs and dates. So before posting, check everything is complete. Names match across documents, include translations if documents are foreign, and include the correction fee. Then send it to the HM Land Registry Citizen Center using the address on welcome2gov.uk. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below.